The only time we are going to pronounce these three words as a, an and the is when we are specifically talking about them as articles. For example, today we are going to study indefinite articles a and an and definite article the. See another example. We learn to pronounce articles a, an and the. The moment we use these three articles in front of any word, the rules of pronunciation come in. There are three rules that we need to remember. So here we go. Rule number 1. Indefinite article a is pronounced as a. Remember, it's pronounced as a, not a. Don't get confused with the symbols within brackets. These are called sounds in the system of phonetics. Every sound that human beings make has a symbol, but that's another area of study. Right now, I will share some examples with you showing how we use article a in our daily conversation. Focus on sound a. A book is lying on the table. I'm engaged in a project. A cup of coffee is what I need right now. Steve is a brilliant player. It's a wonderful day. A meeting is in progress. I'm pretty sure from now on you will pronounce article a as a. Now rule number 2. Indefinite article an is pronounced as un. Remember, it's pronounced as un. Notice carefully how quickly article an attaches itself to the word after it in the following examples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It's raining. I need an umbrella. An egg is what I want in my breakfast. It's an interesting book. An honest person is liked by all. I'm looking for an opportunity.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Enliven English. Download the app now.